Smokeaholics Barbecue World here. Not too long ago, I made a video on making jalapeno relish. Well, we're going to take this jalapeno relish and do another video making shotgun shells. So look at my jalapeno pepper recipe, and you'll see how I made this. All right, let's check out the shells. All right, we bought some sausage meat, a pound, and fried it up because I want it cooked before we put it in there, because you're not going to cook your shotgun shells very long, so your meat needs to be done. And put it in your sausage meat. We're going to do 2 packs. And whatever cheese you like, we're using some yellow cheese, the sharp cheddar, finely shredded. You want it fine as you can get it. And just get your hands in there and get it all mixed up very well. And then mix it up real good. We're going to use some tequila lime and some Grill Master roasted garlic and herb. Don't be scared to put some in there. Okay, take your pack of bacon and we cut it up in halves. There you go, right there. There's one of them made. You stuff your shell and then you sit there and wrap it with your bacon. Alright, they're all made up, seasoned up, ready to go on the grill. Alright guys, shotgun shells are done. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Real good. Make you some. God bless you. I'll see you on the next video.